Three bros, Mr. Matt and Jamie, the bros are on the go. Three bros, Mr. Matt and Jamie, now the bros are headed on the go.
Hey guys, welcome to the first unboxing video on Bros on the Go. Today we're going to be unboxing a new toy car. It's the RC Vortex 5.
Alright, let's jump right into it. What do we call this thing?
It's the RC Buggy, made from new brakes. As you can see, it comes with 2 batteries and a charger for the camera.
Okay, we got the RC Buggy Vortex. Brand new opening. You excited, Owen? You excited?
Good.
Oh, thank you. Alright, let's do this.
Alright. Okay.
Alright, Andrew.
Here's my brother Andrew. He'll be opening it up.
Okay.
Mom, here.
Open it up, buddy. Let's see what we got.
Oh, yes.
Whoa, my goodness.
You're stuck there.
No, you're at tag. You're at dog pile. Alright, bros are opening up the brand new car before we test drive it. Oh, we don't need those instructions, do we?
Maybe.
Maybe we should keep those.
Maybe, baby.
Maybe not. Oh, maybe baby.
That's fun to say.
Who you calling baby? Alright, Owen, how we doing? We open it up?
I'm gonna talk to mom a second.
Good idea, good idea.
I'm gonna talk to her.
Okay.
Alright.
How about you just stay here though?
How about I take care of the rest of the stuff?
We are making progress on the RC Dune Buggy X6000 L Series. Tell us a little bit more about what this car can do.
Well, apparently let's take a look at the back of the box and see what it does.
Okay.
Well, it's able to charge from multiple points.
Okay. What else?
It can race up to 6 vehicles.
Okay.
Longer range, faster response, and internal antenna.
Sounds sweet.
I don't know if it can ride on the road talk, but we'll see what it can do.
Okay, let's do it. Owen's getting her done. Good job, Owen. Keep it up. All right, Caleb's wrapping up the last couple things of tape here, holding it down. We're gonna see what's inside.
Well, we
So,
put batteries in this thing.
Okay, let's do it. See you in a bit. No way. Oh my goodness. Can I go in reverse too? Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, we should not drive it in here though. It's gonna get crushed probably with dogpiling. All right. What's the tip of the day today?
If you go outside today, it's going to be freezing cold.
Very good. What should the viewers do?
Make sure to wear a warm winter jacket and warm pants, boots, and gloves.
Stay warm out there, bros. All right. All right. There it goes. Here it comes. How's it driving?
Good. Check it out. Bathroom film.
No way. It's pretty cool. Where are you trying to park it? Oh, there's its little parking spot. Back out of there, buddy. Oh my, this is a struggle. And it's gonna hit my foot. Oh my goodness. Do you have your license, sir?
No, I don't even know how to drive.
How are you driving then?
It's a car. It's one.
All right, let's see your parallel parking skills. Good luck. Not bad. Good job.
Thanks. I'm going to adjust this way.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be sweet. Boom. Okay.